Hey guys, and welcome back to Jeep Doc TV. Tonight we're going to be putting on the top prop from Skidrow Off-Road on the TJ here. What that's going to do is, one, it's going to help you from keeping rainwater from pooling into your soft top or your bikini top that you have on top of your Jeep. And two, it'll keep it off the top of your head if you're a little bit taller. A lot of times the tonneau cover likes to come down and just kind of graze the back of my head and create a bald spot. Yeah, we don't want that. Anyway, we're going to be putting that on tonight. We're doing a little bit of late night wrenching. It's a little bit after 2 in the morning. It's the middle of the day for me. Anyway, no further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box and I'll show you what's in it. Alright guys, so this is what comes in the kit. This is your fiberglass top prop. That's going to actually sit in there and it's going to bow up and it's going to keep tension on your top so water won't pool into that very front portion of your soft top or your bikini top. But this is a hardware kit that comes with it. You got your top prop brackets, and then you also have 4 stainless steel clamps, hose clamps, come with it, and the optional screws. Let's go over to the Jeep and I'll show you what's going on. Alright guys, so this is going to have a couple different benefits. It's going to keep water from pooling on top of your top and sagging the top down, if you will. Also, it's going to keep that spider web shade, like what I'm going to put on, off of the top of your head. I'm a little bit bigger guy, so I sit a little bit taller than most. And yeah, this spider web shades like to bounce off the top of my head in the JK and in the TJs. So we're going to go ahead and pull the top back, get more lighting in here. And it's super simple. And it's going to be a short video. Sorry guys, but hey, it's a Skidrow off-road product. And you can get 10% off if you use my code down below. I'll put it in the description. Let's go ahead and get this top prop put on. Alright guys, so I made a mistake. You actually do have to remove your fabric and you have to notch out your styrofoam that's actually in the padding. I'm just going to discard all the padding and the fabric that's on the roll bar. So let's go ahead and take the fabric and padding off of the roll bar, get this thing ready, shoot the hose clamps up there, put the prop top in. So let's get those brackets installed and then we'll come back and we'll put the top prop in. So there you go. That's the orientation you want it, sort of in the center of the door there. I've got this side mounted up same way, same place. There's a hole right here in the roll bar. Anyway, I put it centered right over the top of that. And with the hose clamps, let's go ahead and install the top prop bar itself. So what you want to do is go ahead and insert the top prop over on the passenger side, grab hold of it, push up on the center, and it takes a little bit, and boom. That's what you end up with. So as you can see, it's got a nice curve, and what that's going to do is prop that top up. Neat, huh? Told you it was simple. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like installed with the hose clamps. Now at this time I've decided not to go ahead and drill the holes in the roll bar. I plan on getting a rock hard cage for this thing, so I want the ability to move this thing around just in case it needs to move. So anyway, we're going to leave it like this for right now, but make sure if you do use the hose clamps, leave room for your door surrounds. Don't leave your screws for the hose clamp up here because it's not going to allow room for the door surround. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get the spider web shade put on. You can see I Had to take my top apart to get it down from inside. It's beautiful outside tonight, so I'm gonna let some of that cool air in. So anyway, go get the spider web shade put on, and then we'll finish putting the top back on. Guys, so as you can see, top is now bowed up instead of bowed down. No rainwater is going to gather in that little pocket there anymore. We got her all finished. All right, we got the spider web shade on with the top prop and the top, so it does fit. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you do buy some products from Skidrow Off-Road. Like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description below for 10% off your order. Tell them I sent you, and thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you later. Bye.